Hey everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about sovereign gold bonds. Sounds really like technical term, but it's very simple actually. I think it's one of the best financial instruments that you can invest in right now, and I don't see a lot of YouTubers in this space, giving actionable advice to like people like us, young adults who've just started earning or have some money to invest, but not a lot and looking for like safer ways. So that's the reason I'm making this video. So first of all, I'm also one of the amateur young investors. Like I'm not somebody who's made $1 million already or something like that. So I may not always give the best advice or best option for you. So before investing into anything, research everything on your own and then only do it. SGB is basically like buying gold in digital format. You don't actually have to hold any gold. That's why it's like risk free. It's just a certificate that you'll have, a digital certificate, and no physical gold. No making charges and all of it. Go and ask your dad. How does he buy gold, and you will see that there's like 10 other charges on top. And even if you sell the gold back to, let's say you buy it from some gold seller and then you sell it back, you are going to lose like 10-20% just like that. So in that sense, this is a much better alternative to that. And gold has always shown like consistent growth. In the last 10 years, I think there's 3 times where gold did not give returns. Like if you bought gold, you did not get returns. So it's pretty consistent, it's pretty good, and it's very safe, I think. So and you are buying it from the government. Basically you're buying it from RBI in this particular case. So no shady deals that you have to do. I don't know who does shady deals in investing, but you don't have to do it as well. So that's good. You buy it in basically grams of gold. 1 gram, you buy units, but units are based on grams. So you're buying basically 1 gram, 2 gram. You can buy up to like 4 kilos. And if you are one of those people who are going to buy gold in kilos, then you've come to the wrong channel, and you probably already knew about SGB. So anyway, so okay, so what? How do you invest in SGB? So I invested it through my bank as ICCI. You can invest it through any bank. So that's why I think this is also good, because you don't need a demat account or anything like that. It's very accessible. You just need a bank account and ask your bank how to do it. Usually you can do it through the app. You need to buy minimum 1 gram, so that is around 4,600 rupees, and you get 50% like a Zomato coupon code discount on it if you do it completely digitally, which I recommend you do it completely digitally. And the thing is that once you buy this right now, you have to hold it for 8 years. Now, 8 years, you cannot imagine that the money, whatever you invest in this, is not you're not going to get it back for 8 years. Now you might say all of this is based on gold. So what if gold falls or gold does not give me the best of returns? Like why would I invest in this? I would like I've heard like people say invest in stocks and all of it. Why not go there? That will give me better returns. So you are not just profiting off of the gold's value that is increasing. You are also going to be profiting off of 2.5% annum interest rate that will be added on top every year. You will get 2.5% on your initial investment. And it's simple interest, it's not compound interest. So on your initial investment you're going to get 2.5% per annum, and you're also going to benefit from the gold's own value increasing. At the end of 8 years you can sell it. Like, when it matures you can get whatever the difference is. So if the right now you're buying at 4,600, let's say it goes up to 8k, hopefully it goes up to 8k, then you will get that difference of gold. There'll be that it'll not be taxable. It is something called as capital gains. So there's no capital gains if you hold it till maturity. You're nothing will be taxed in that. But the 2.5% that you're earning per annum, that is still taxable. Just keep that in mind. But it's 8 years and it's all based on gold. So I think it's very good for people like us, since we don't have a lot of money. Plus it's very safe. So for example, I'll tell you, so one of the first SGBs, I think that was issued, first sovereign gold bond was in 2015, and it was released for, let me see my notes here, it's like
A few moments later.
so yeah, sorry. So the first issue was in November 2015 for 2,684 bucks, and right now the redemption is around at 4,800 bucks. So those people, they put in 2,684 and they're getting 4,837, which is a really good deal. So yeah, it's and which is But if you look at it that way, so Nifty, if you would have invested in Nifty all those years back, you would have made 1% more per year per annum. So, but the thing is, for that 1% more, you might have to take a lot more headaches. You needed a demat account to buy stocks and stuff like that. So, just for 1%, it was not worth it. Obviously, there were better stocks, you could have made much more money, but I'm just saying, risk to return, this is a very good choice, I think, for most of us. Plus, our money will be like sort of locked away. We will not be spending it left and right. So, that's also good. And so, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it on SGB. So, yeah, one thing I left out was that these basically SGBs will be tradable in the basically BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. So we don't know when that will happen. There will be a date that will be coming up. So these will also be tradable. So in case you wanted to get rid of them for some money, so for some immediate emergency money, before 8 years you are able to trade it. Obviously that will be taxable for whatever amount you sell it at, but there is a way to get your money back in case you need it by trading it. And also on the 5th year you will have some exit options, so you don't have to wait till full 8 years. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Back to the video. In case you like the video, obviously press the like button, help me game the YouTube algorithm maybe a little bit. And yeah, subscribe if you want to. I don't know if I'll make more. I might make more videos. Let's see, let me tell me what you are interested in. Are you interested in some particular financial instrument which you think is the best option? Maybe we'll research on that. Maybe I'll invest in that. So let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any feedback or anything, just put it down in the comments. And thank you. Bye.